Hi, in this video I will demonstrate to you about how to work with SuiteCRM Asterisk Connector. After doing configuration successfully, now we can make calls inside our SuiteCRM. You can use any soft phone or hard phone. To activate your soft phone, give the trunk name and password present in zip.conf file. In this video I am using a Zyper soft phone and I set up a local network call. You can also configure Asterisk with Vivo IP providers like GoTrunk or Video. Now let's view contacts in SuiteCRM. Here you can see the call icons present beside every contact number. Click on it to dial call and communicate with the prospect. If you have the call, you can view a pop-up in top of your SuiteCRM. First call comes to you instead of reaching that person. Here you have the option to attend, check or ignore the call. Click on attend. The call goes to the contact that you want to connect with. After you have done your call meeting with prospects, you can see the call history in SuiteCRM by visiting the calls module. Here you can see the history of inbound and outbound calls, the call date creation, calls assigned to, and from here you can replay your call discussion with prospects to know any details. SuiteCRM Asterisk Connector automatically provides you the backup of every call that is saved automatically in your local computer. Here in my computer, I have created a folder. You can see the call recordings. You can configure the location in SuiteCRM Asterisk configuration. You can also define call rules for users in SuiteCRM. Visit the PBX Suite Connect configuration module in SuiteCRM. Click on user permissions. The users of your SuiteCRM are listed here. Check on the receive incoming calls of any one user to give them access to attend any incoming calls. And check the make outgoing calls to give the user to make any calls from your SuiteCRM. The dashboard view of SuiteCRM Asterisk Connector gives you the details of number of calls answered, inbound and outbound calls, and calls unanswered. SuiteCRM Asterisk Connector makes it super easy for you to communicate with prospects. If you want to know about how to install and configure SuiteCRM Asterisk Connector, please use the link in description. Thanks for watching.